Mm-hmm.
He's been giving me, he waved at me too.
Mm-hmm.
Gave me train hawks. Alright guys, we're here at Highway 70 and phone storage was low, so I'm just gonna post this for a video.
There goes Kiamichi Freddy. I want to see if I catch him at least one more time. Up we go. There's my buddy Josh right there. He's the one, I'll go to his channel, Shortline Rail Fenders, and mine's right there beside his. Mine has the Queen train on there, engine on there.
Yeah.
So it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. You should look him up. Well, it looks like Eddie and Ronnie are back on the job, back from their vacation, and so Evan's back running the local from Vank to Hugo, or running the coal train, or running the westbound.
I think so. Yeah.
I'm about to ask him. I got him last night in Hayworth. Alright, let's go see if I can go catch him. What is up, rail fans? Marshall here, that films the Kiamichi Railroad and the Queen Eastern Railroad on the hot rails. Well, I'm ahead of Eddie and Ronnie. They are they're about a couple miles out from Garvin. I just filmed them at 10 at 10:51, and they just came through Idabel a few minutes ago, and you can hear them in the background there. I finally get to film my friend Evan. He just came by last night. He was taking over for Eddie because Eddie was on his vacation. But every couple of months, my friend Eddie and Ronnie will be on their vacation again. So, and then my friend Evan and all my other buddies on the Kiamichi Railroad will run their train back and forth. They all take turns running it, and so. And right now, I wouldn't mind being on the Queen Eastern Railroad right now. But I think right now I'll be on the Kiamichi Railroad just for now. But I might do that tomorrow. I might do that. You never know where I might be at out there. Right now it's just me tonight. My mom and my niece is with me, but my intern's not with me tonight, so she might be here tomorrow. He'll be here tomorrow. Sorry. I just met my buddy Josh, and if you want to see some short line action, I'll only give you someone else to describe to, but that's gonna be later on. If you're interested, he has good railfan content as well as like the same as me and my buddy Josh. But hey everyone, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, support my channel, and give me a like. If you already have subscribed, thank you for being my support, thank you for being there, and thank you for being part of my family. Us rail fans, we all stick together. Even with the railroads, we stick together, because railroads and rail fans were technically the same thing, but us, there's a difference between us rail fans and the ones that work on the railroad. That they drive a train, we just film them. So, and we wave at them and such. So, technically, if anything makes my day, it'd be my wife and my family, including the friends on the railroad here. Especially you get mean people that looks at you funny when they're driving by, going across the railroad tracks. They look at you like, you know, weird ways. You know what I mean? Y'all probably have seen that before. And the only thing what keeps me happy is filming a train and being around you know, just being around friends that works on the railroad and stuff, and just being out here on railroad property. So I feel more safer on railroad property than I do on the outskirts of it, though, because no one cannot bother you there. They can't even bother you on railroad property. But I usually film over there, but right now I'm over here. Railroad property is my safe haven, so I mean, I like being on my friends' railroad. There's nothing wrong to film on it or anything like that, as long as you're being nice and you're not going to do anything. Then you'll be fine if you're not going to do that. So it's a good thing you don't. So hopefully in the next video I might talk about where all the hobos gone. You know, hobos is what makes railroads actually, is hobos. But that'll be in the next one. That might be when it's different, but that'll be probably sometime in the next couple of videos. So shout out to Dr. Pepper. I am appetizing your hat, and I like wearing the hat, so it looks good. I tried the berry Dr. Pepper, and it tastes very good. Cherry Dr. Pepper and all the other flavored Dr. Peppers. So I'm glad I get to drink all those, including all the Coke products. Coke, cherry Coke, regular Coke, cherry Coke, all the other flavored Cokes, Pepsi, all those type of stuff. So So, live action, and there's more. So, thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing, and thank you for being there. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. But thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being part of my family, and of course my brother Josh's family as well. So please join us, the Shortline Rail Fanners, and we'll treat you like family. We don't mind you being out here with us. Our group has gained a lot, so we're gaining it, and we want you to be part of our group. So come along with us, and you come along with me. But this is my last stop for tonight here in Garvin, Oklahoma. So, so right now it's about 75 degrees Fahrenheit, which this is my very good temperature to rail fan at night. And in the cold, you have to wear a jacket and other stuff like that. So, let's get crack-a-lackin' on the video. That will be Eddie. And of course we got a full moon, so it's pretty cool. He's having a good night. So is Ronnie. Chugga, 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 chugga. And it is a Monday. Right now they're getting here at 10:15 here in Garvin, Oklahoma. Here they come, coming around that corner. Sometimes I think Eddie and Ronnie, they miss me. I think they miss me. I think I just heard Richard and Michael. Heard them over there by Golden. I just heard them a few minutes ago, and I heard them with these on. That's pretty cool. So that means I can hear the Kiamichi Railroad from Golden. So that means I can hear them from Garvin. That's just so cool. If I know what engine they were on, I could probably guess the horn. You beat it fair and square. Lumber. Kiamichi Freddy. Don't forget to subscribe. There they go. So I'll see you later. Martian out. Thank you for watching. See you next time on Hot Rails of the KRR, known as the Kiamichi Railroad, and the Queen Eastern Railroad, known as the DQD TOD Railroad. I'll see you later. Known as the Queen Eastern Railroad. I'll see you later.